Hello student, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRT Art, BH Commerce, AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student, friends, I warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGDT 114 Principle of Population and Settlement Geography, the semester first, paper number 4. Now, today we are going to learn this topic. Topic name is population distribution. Last lecture will be discuss the population distribution affecting different factors. Mainly is the geographical factors in topographical feature like mountain, plain, then plateau. These are the some discussion in the as well as some historical features will be discussed. In last lecture will be from affecting of the distribution of population, and distribution population is of country is very important as any natural resources, mainly growth of populations as and economic progress are closely related with the, this is the because economic progress of country is related to natural resources and the population has exploit these resources. If enough population is not available, then all the natural resources will be full exploited and the production will remain low to the extent population therefore is the major factor contributing toward the production. St- Studies related to population has given considerable importance in human geography. Because of this, by using the intelligence, man tried to satisfy his need from the environment around him economically, socially and politically. Some human groups have become quite powerful while some others have remained weak. The productivity and consumption both are related to the size of populations. Means this is very important is factor influencing the distribution of population, the type of density, all the significance related to the distribution of populations. Means the population of India has also become a major area of the study, very important here. Now last period will be discussed about historical factors as well as geographical factor, mainly in the topographical feature will be considered in the last lecture. Now student, today will be discussed for next point to be considered as the topographical feature will be discussed in last lecture. Today will be discussed in geological information. What is the geology? Do you know? All the students, do you know the geology? What is meant by geology? Already deal. Geology means the interior of the study, interior of the earth study. Means among all the important is the among geographical factor influencing the distribution of population. Populations means nature of geographical information is an important factor. Thus, in geographical information, nature of geographical information is an important factor. Mainly types of rock, nature of rock is an important aspect of geological formation. Whether water holding capacity and rock depend on the types, and mainly the groundwater is easily to available for level of groundwater is not very deep if the region is underlay and aquifers. Very important here. Next one, activities such as agriculture, industries, and dairy from flourish such as region due to the availability of water. Naturally, people also pay for such area. Mainly, this is important here. Now, very little water percolate. Not much groundwater is available. If the region is underlined by the rocks and is closed with compact structure, very compact structure. Now, next one is the large part of the Konkan region in Maharashtra underline the literate which is porous. Mainly, it can be hold water large area due to have human settlement. Now here the nature of geocycling formation of influence the availability of building materials in a region. In building materials is easily available in the region, the settlements grow rapidly. Soil is readily and rapidly formed in the geological formation. Now formation of easily irradiable of soft in such a region, soil is thick and fertile. Very important here. Now it is a rock. Its rock is compact. Compact. The rate of soil formation is slow, and soil suitable for the relatively more and soil form is the relatively more productivity and the important as against the rate of soil formation out of the weathering of the laterite is low and soil form is relatively less productive. Because of this difference, density of population in area underlined by basalt is relatively more. important here. This is the very important factors of geological informations. Now, next point is polar regions have the climate, and the climate regions. For example, polar regions have been very people because it is impossible to grow crops and so food is expensive. Buildings are very difficult because is the permafrost underneath. Now it is a difficult to expansion to survive in such conditions. There are very remote due to the poor weather and lack of the roads and railways. Now these are the hot desert regions have been a few people because it is impossible to grow with the irrigation so and food expensive. Living in extreme heat and drought is unpleasant to the most people. They are remote and unlikely to attract industries, so there are few job opportunities. Now, these are the some important here to the considerable climate which is new. Now, no extra cost needed to order to keep up the climate, and the farmers have the steady harvest from year to year because the climate is reliable. Now, region with the moderate climate and reliable water supply to more is crowded because. Now, these are the climates. Where the climate is important here, average of weather condition at a place over a long period it is called as a climate of the place. Means here the what is mean by the climate? Climate is the definition here the average of water condition at a place. Means very simple definition, average of water weather condition at a place over a long period. Over a long period it's called as a climate of the place. Of the place climate is weather condition at a place over a long period it is called as a climate of the place. Now various element of the climate such as temperature, rainfall, humidity which influence the human lives. And now among the temperature and rainfall extract more influence the distribution of population. Mainly those are the climatic elements. Climatic elements such as the effect to the population distributions, mainly temperature, rainfall, humidity with influence of human life. Now first one is the temperature. Temperature influences not only human being but also vegetation, animals and land. Now normally temperature between the 50 Fahrenheit to 55 Fahrenheit is also considered the ideal from the point of view of human comfort. Now, temperature higher and lower than influence human being adversely. Now, with the temperature, the duration of sunshine and intensity of sunshine both increase as move from poles to the equator. As a result of this, temperature also goes to the increasing from pole to the equator. Now, here higher temperature affects many efficiency adversely. Now that these high people is go equatorial region is generally lazy. As against that is if temperature are too low, then adversely affect human beings. It's also adversely affect of vegetation growth. Now next point is rainfall. Now rainfall is important. The amount of rainfall influence the human life to a considerable extent. From the point of view the human habitation, region with very heavy rainfall and very scanty rainfall are less attractive. Very important here. The point of view the point of view human life is not only the amount of rainfall that rainfall is received, it in a very short period. Very little of percolate, much of the water received run off and groundwater resources are not replenished. Very important here too. On the other hand, of rainfall is well distributed over the year. It helps agriculture as well as it helps rise the ground water level is important here. Now, what is the really matters of regime of rainfall? Means rainfall is more effective if it is distributed in such a way that is the growth of crops is help. Heavy rainfall in a short period lead to erosion and soil and land surface, which is ultimately result in lowering of the fertility of land. The combination of temperature and rainfall has produced ideal climate is countries like England, Japan, and also. Now, here, in short, human life of efficiency are already affect to execute scanty rainfall, very higher temperature and very low temperature. Now, it is because This is the very few peoples are found in equatorial regions in tundra areas, in Sahara, Kalahari and desert. Means these are the very desert. As a belt, is belt extending 25 degree to 65-degree latitudes have a higher concentration of population because the sufficiently long growing seasons and favorable influence of climate, human efficiency, monsoon region, Mediterranean areas and areas or the West European when types of climate have a high population densities of the in the areas. Very important here. Now go to the next point, geographical locations. This is geographical location. Geographical locations is another factor influencing distribution of populations. Very important here. Location, geographical location is the location decided climate, nature of soil and availability of water. Now locations can be grouped into the two broad category, mainly coastal and continental. Means it is if a country is located in interior of the continent as no coastline, then such is called as a continental location, and the location creates many problems. So now first one, countries located in interior of the continent have the extreme top temperature. This is the first problem here. This is the continental area. This is the extreme temperature. Range of temperature is large and day temperature is rise very high, while the night temperature drops a very low level. Human being the find is difficult to adjust to this variation. Now, normally interior content receive the low rainfall. Very important here, no receive the low rainfall. Moisture ridden winds from ocean give heavy rainfall. Non-coastal areas by the times they reach the interior, there is very little moisture left. Is needed both for agriculture have not prospered. Water is needed both for agriculture as well as for industry. Due to the scarcity of water, development of agriculture as well as industries is hampered. Now, certain economic activity do not flourish in countries having the continental location, for example, marine fisheries, salt pans, certain chemical industry, etc. For international trade, countries having the continental locations have to depend on the neighboring countries. The international trades and virtually stops if their relations and neighboring countries are streams. Now, development of heavy industries are adversely affected due to the continental location as such countries. Raw material needed to heavy industries and uh, furnish products both are bulky, which can be probably transported by the sea routes. Mainly here, as against the temperature, as against the countries that is surrounded by water, heavy indented coastline are the insular countries. In such countries, due to the indented coastline, waters reach into the interior parts of the land and not part of remain far away from the sea. Great Britain and Japan are the two good examples. Such countries are insular locations. Very important here, insular locations. Now, here the above the mention is the difficulty density of populations. Population to countries having the continental location are generally low. For example, even India, density of population in coastal land is higher than in interior plateau. Another example could be the Tibetan plateau have also density of population is low. Similarly, density of population Siberia is also low. Even the United States of America density of population in interior region is low. In the central and western desert region in Australia, density of population very um, between 2 to 5% curve. In interior part of Sahara Desert, the density of will be abnormally low. Similarly, it is also low of continental parts of Greenland. As against, as against already discussed here, now means an insular location has proved the advantages of these countries is many respect. These countries enjoy the equitable climates with very little range of temperature, such as climate favorable effects of human being. Now, next one is coastline area receive the heavy rainfall, which is the help to development agriculture and other economic activity. Mainly, inlated coastline have several creeks and other port can be developed such promote international trades of the country. Now, in solar location and coastal location make the development of certain economic activity and easier such as marine fisheries, salt pans, certain chemical industries and shipbuildings. Very important here. Now, then extents of the port helps to in the development and commercial centers, resorts and territory economic activity. These are the some due to the reasons mentioned have been the insular countries have higher density of population. For example, density of population along with the coast of Japan is high. Similarly, higher density is recorded in the eastern coast of China and western coast of Europe. In Asia, density of population is highest in Indonesia due to the insular locations. Very important here. Now next point is water resources. Now water resources, since water is very is essential for very survival of human being, animal, plant and man has been search water since ancient times. Now here permanent settlements and found where water is available throughout the years. Means grazing has become important economic activity wherever both grass and water are readily available. Mainly, water is also needed to agriculture. Water is also needed for agriculture. Agriculture also flourished in area where the enough water is easily available. Now, industry also need water. Large industrial establishments have come up where water is readily available. The internet has influenced the rate of growth of population in development, transportation network, water play an important role. Very important here, industry, large industries and all these things. Very important role here will be water play important role. Now next one is water transportation is the cheapest mode of transportation. Availability of water transportation therefore help to promoting international as an international and internal trades with the influence of growth of populations. Now, next one, water is also used to produce hydro power in mountainous regions. Distribution of population is influenced by the extent of hydro power stations. Water is readily available for irrigation along the river course. Agro-based industry also develop in such area. The influence distribution of population. That is why all over the world large cities are the found long river courses. Very important here. Now next is the heavy concentration of population is found in Yangtze Basin in China, Ganga Basin in India, Mississippi Basin in USA. Very important here to the for water resources are also effect to the population distribution. Now next point is soil. Okay, then elements of climate influence the parent rocks is survival ways. Weathering as well as erosion of rocks influence the by element of climate. Accumulation by weathering materials lead to the formation of soil. Mainly, nature of soil is collectively influenced by the relief, nature of parent rock, climate, and vegetation. Wherever these factors are favorable, soils have been formed in agriculture. Very important here. Now, alluvial, chestnut, regur, volcanic soil, and good agriculture. Therefore, regions having these soil have become densely populated region. For example, alluvial soils Ganga Plain and its delta, the region of chestnut soil in Europe, the region of volcanic soil in Indonesia, regur oil on the Deccan Plateau of India. Other hand, mountainous soil, sandy soil in the desert, saline soil are not suitable for agriculture here. Means all these the region of the soils are the low population density. Population density are generally low due to this layer soil over the slope of mountains like Aravalli, Saputara, Vindhyan, Gab. Similarly, densities are low due to the sandy soil to Thar desert and due to the saline soil in the Gulf of very sparse population is recorded in such region. Climates, other natural factors is unfavorable conditions. Now these are the soil conditions. Now next one is the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation is important factors. Natural vegetation provides the building materials and fuels. It also provides the raw materials to shipbuilding industry. It is also provides the timber, gum, lake, fruits, medicinal plant, herbs. Several types of animals are found in the regions dense vegetation cover. Natural vegetation is also important. Natural vegetation also plays an important role to maintaining environmental balance in the regions. Mainly, natural vegetation extract a favorable influence of temperature rainfall and humidity. It is also prevent soil erosion, soil get supply of human from natural vegetation, mainly because of all the seasons, it is considered necessary to keep one-third areas under the vegetation. All these aspects influence the population distribution. The region with its rich natural vegetation therefore have high population density. The any equatorial regions, however, the agriculture activity are restricted due to the fast growth of vegetation. This has resulted in a lower density of population of the regions very important of natural vegetation. This is also affect natural vegetation is affect influence to the population distributions. Now next point. Next point is minerals. Minerals very important here. Availability of minerals as the factor influencing distribution of population become more and more important to discovery of new minerals and increase its utility. Because basically it is a natural factor, but since there is a possibility of increase in production by using the improved technology, it is also considered as an economic factor. Several examples can be given the show of availability of minerals influence distribution of populations. In in Middle East, population density relatively high because the availability of oil. In Europe, availability of coal and influence the distribution of populations very important here. Now, even in Australian desert, gold mining is attract people from all the part of countries, places like Kulangri and Kulugri. This process has been intense since the industrial revolutions, means availability of new technology and machines enables the discovery of many minerals, which is a turn to influence the population distribution more clearly. Settlement came up near iron and coal mines in the Europe, very important here. In the recent time, similarly, things show happen at place produced by other minerals. Availability of minerals lead to the development of industries, which is turn help economic development of the country. Hence, area where minerals are present in large quantity they have high proportion of immigrants. Means here the high population density is here. Mainly, this is the till the last century due to the harsh Normand continent of Antarctica in uninhabited area due to the presence of coal, uranium, mineral oils, and now the eight countries have the established permanent research center in the Antarctica. India one of them. Is all these things very important to the mineral resources. Mineral is also affect to the distribution of populations mainly here of all these things here in this large quantity of the higher population density. Now, these are the today lecture will be discussed from different factors affecting from the geographical factors that are affecting from the distribution of population mainly minerals, natural vegetation, soil, water resources, geographical locations and geographical location these are mainly this is factors affecting the population distribution. Student, any doubt, any query to ask anytime, write a mail for bharatgadak@kthmcollege.ac.in. Student, next lecture will be continue for economic as well as some other factors to affecting the population distribution. Okay, bye bye. Good day.